Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jesse here with Hot Wheels, bringing another Hot Wheels diecast video. And today's video is going to be very special. It's actually, in fact, the Fast and the Furious set right here. And check it out, when you put them all together, it actually makes a panoramic picture of the street racing. So, cars like flying down the street, you know, you kind of get the glare off the cars. And they complement each other, which I think is really unique to you know, Hot Wheels sets. I wish more Hot Wheels would do this more often with, you know, their car sets. You know what I mean? Because I mean, like, these are nice. Don't get me wrong, like, I'm looking on the wall, but none of them really paint like in a picture when you put them together. So these do, which I think is pretty special and unique. And they may have done this before. You know, I haven't been collecting, like, you know, for decades or anything, so I'm sure they may have done this in the past, but I wish they would do it more often. Alright, well, we're going to get right into this set. Let's lay all these down. We're going to get into it. And just give me a second to get set up over here. Got our car spinner. Got this little Mustang on there. Really nice Mustang. I like it. I hope you do as well. Got the exposed engine there. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We're going to move the Mustang out of the way. We're going to get right into it. So, let's see. We're going to go, I guess, in order. Yep, we're going to go in order. And I think, well, you know, this is number one right here. Give it number one. And if you remember, I believe this was Letty's car, the Nissan 240SX. This is the car that Letty, Dominic, you know, Dominic's girlfriend drove. So we're gonna break into this. You know, breaks my heart to kind of do that on a, you know, on a premium set, but I want to get these things out and inspect them a little up close. Oh yeah, there we go. So we got Letty's car. Like I said, Letty was Dom's girlfriend. She's kind of a hardcore, you know, kind of street racing chick. Really nice car though. Check out the graphics on that. I think it's really sweet. I like the wheels a lot. It's kind of got that almost like a dish look to the rims. Very well done. Moving right along, we'll put Letty's car back here. Number two. Number two right here is the Mitsubishi Eclipse. And that, as you're aware, was Brian's car. Brian Spielner, the serial killer, as Dom first put it. You know, are you a serial killer? Yeah, that's the 95. Hold on, let's see. What year is this? Does it say? But, yeah, 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse. You know, it's like, I like Eclipse. I'm just not like a huge fan necessarily of this paint scheme, but overall it's well done, and of course it's, you know, Paul Walker's, you know, car in the movie. You know, his character's car, Brian, and he's very much basically the star of this movie and all the movies really going forward. But really nice. We'll put Brian's car back there. Next we've got a pretty sweet little Mazda RX-7, number 3 in the pack here. 3 out of 5. So you got Dominic Toretto, otherwise called Dom. And he's basically like the leader of the kind of and Dom was basically the you know, the leader of the kind of a crime ring, you know. But yeah, they were big into cars. But yeah, this was Dom's 95 RX-7. Although when I look online, when you look it up on Wikipedia, it says it's actually a 93. So you let me know, did Hot Wheels get it right? Is it a 95? Or, you know, based on what I've looked at online, a lot of people are saying it's 93. So you let me know which one. But either way, really well done on the 95 or 93 RX-7. We'll put him back there. Next, you've got the Volkswagen Jetta MK3, number 4. And this was Jesse's car. So this is Jesse's car, and of course, you know, if you watch the movies, he pretty much got gunned down after losing the pink slips to, you know, Tran. You know, he raced Tran, and I think it was like a Honda S2000, and lost. And so Jesse took off in his Volkswagen. Didn't want to hand over the you know, the Jetta, and got gunned down for it toward the end of the movie. Pretty sad, but you know, hey, you know, what do you expect out of a bunch of, you know, crime rings, you know? But yeah, really nice Jetta. I like it a lot, even though I'm not a big like Volkswagen fan necessarily. It's really well done. I was looking at some actual pictures of the car, and this car doesn't have like some of those details or graphics like the Pirelli tires. I believe it had like some lettering above the fender there and stuff like that on the actual car. I don't know. You let me know if that's, you know, it's movie quality or not. Let's go to the last one, the Nissan Skyline GTR. And this was actually Leon's car. And Leon was basically like, you know, I don't really know how to explain Leon. He's kind of just like a right-hand man to Dom and that gang. But really nice Skyline there. Probably not like my favorite of the bunch, but it definitely is a nice car. And I think the movie was great, even if you're not like a big import, you know, fan. You know, you're not big into tuners or imports, things like that. I think it's really still a well done movie. But yep, that's the Nissan Skyline GTR. And that's it, guys. That's the set right here. So let me know what is your favorite. Of course, that's not a Fast and Furious car there, but you know, you got the white Volkswagen Jetta. You've got what was that? Letty's Nissan 240 SX. You know, you got Brian's 95 Eclipse, and you got Dom's. Let's see, what was Dom's 95 RX-7. And you've got Leon's Skyline there, the yellow Skyline. So I really like it a lot. Of course, like I said, that's not a part of the set, but you know, I've got 6 things there, so I wanted to showcase another one. But so yeah, really well done. I like the Fast and Furious set a lot. Let me know your thoughts on it. And I'm kind of sad, you know, all the cards are gone because they made like a really awesome picture, but I've got another set just, you know, to have, so I'll be showcasing those on my wall eventually. So anyways, wanted to show you this pretty nice Fast and Furious set. My favorite so far. I didn't care a lot for the one they did last time. I think it was 2018 they did a set. But yeah, so alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the Fast and the Furious. You know, if you like the movies, you like the cars, or you're not a big imports or tuner fan, I understand. But let me know your favorite car of the series. I'm going to say probably mine was between the Volkswagen Jetta and Dom's 95 or 93 RX-7. So both of them are pretty sweet. I like those a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.